How to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. If any day you're an WhatsApp user and you would like to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After you find the very WhatsApp application, you have to tap on WhatsApp. Now, after you tap on WhatsApp, you can tap on the picture of the person whom very picture you would like to just screenshot. After you tap on the person like this, now you have to wait for a while until the profile picture of the person will be uploaded or updated on the very WhatsApp. Now after that, in order to screenshot, now you can just click on the two buttons that you have on your mobile phone, and after you just press these two buttons here, what may happen is that the screenshots may be seen. But these days, since there's a problem of can't taking screenshots due to privacy policy, now what you can do is you can just video record the very portion of the person, and after you video record the portion of the very person, you can just screenshot from the video recorder there, and this way you can just screenshot the picture of the person from the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.